Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at some clearance deals and some new deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, to help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got the blower, $2.99, and the weed whacker. These are kits. These are one of the newer ones. This is a clearance item, but it doesn't believe it has a. I won't believe it has a battery. So, but it is $3.49. I did not see the battery in here. It might be in there. I did not pull the bag out, but I looked in there and I didn't see anything. If it has the battery, then that's a good. Another clearance deal. This is a Craftsman. Pretty much $80 down from $170. That's actually a pretty dang good deal for a brand new Craftsman pressure washer for 1900 psi. The only thing missing on this one, it is the hose. The only thing I did see that was missing. $6.99. They got a whole bunch of deals, guys, on the OPE for Eagle. So I would definitely jump on this. You know, the competitors, Milwaukee is direct competitor to Eagle. They're really expensive. So having these sales, for me at least, I have no, I don't have to think about a lot about buying a mower. I would just definitely go with Eagle. I wouldn't think about it twice, especially for these prices. That's a pretty dang good deal prices. Most of those are self-propelled models. All right, guys, new line coming in here at the Lowe's. We're gonna be using Husqvarna's for the professionals. They're getting rid of the gas. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this? Are you guys ready to make the switch? If you guys already did, especially if you guys are pros, or did you guys already do the switch from gas to battery? $2.99 for the weed eater, 4 amp hour, 16-inch. You got the edger. Really nice controls. I really like the controls on battery compartment. Then you got the blower. This is leaf blaster, 350 IB, and those are the controls. Got the weed whacker and the controls right there, and it looks like it is a self-winding mechanism here. So pretty interesting what they're doing here. All right, so you got the power axle chainsaw, $4.49. It is an 18-inch. You got the edger, 24-inch. You got the blower, 200 miles per hour, 800 CFM. That's a lot of power. So guys, if you guys want to rock it, something shooting a lot of air, then you guys should get that one. 800. That's a lot. You got the weeder, $2.99. You got the cordless blower from 15 CFM. Not bad at all. You guys want to step up, and you got the 670 CFM. Pay $50 more. I would definitely won't pay $50 more, but you guys want top of the line, you guys could get. I believe there's a new one that's around 700 CFM. And yes, the weed eaters from Eagle, they are self-winding. They do have a button you press, and they wind by themselves. All right, clearance section here. Work Pro 16-ounce word curve hammer. All right, so, and then you got the half-inch socket set. $38 down from $164. That's not bad. Still, I've bought tools like that. They're a little bit cheaper, especially at the Costco. For the DeWalt, I believe I got it for around $20-something. But then again, I believe this one's a little bigger. So, all right, you got some garden accessories here. You got some a blower. This looks like it is a blower for $83, down from $119. This is sweeper. Some clearance items here, $350 down from $699. Some microwave exhaust vents, or you got a loading ramps. Something I saw last time I was here, but I need to see these lower so I could buy them. But yeah, this is if you guys have power equipment, or you guys have ATVs and side by sides. Well, this is the deal for you. I'll definitely get those ARC ones. $17 if you want to make your own. They're on clearance. 1,500 pound capacity. Oils, guys, lots of oils on clearance. So make sure you guys take a look at your store. Make sure see you got the one that's matches for your engine. You got the 1030 there, 520, 367, down from 9. Most of these are full synthetic, by the way. So make sure you guys give it a quick check. There's just a whole bunch of variations. I'm not gonna go over all of them. It'll take forever. You got the grease gun, $13, and you got this one for $12.77. The pistol grip or pistol style. Alright, $27.47 from $35. It's a rubber air hose, 50 footer, 3/8. And then you got some Sanders here. So $36 down from $89. And then $11 down from $39.98. So, you guys running a shop. You got die grinders and sanders. Buy one, get one free. They still got this deal, $199. You get the power stacks and get a free tool. Definitely check out the one that's the STS. That's a really good one. The impact wrenches, oscillating tools. Circular saws. Those are really good tools. Guys, nobody wants these flex ones. Let us know in the comment section if you guys have the flex stack pack. What do you guys think? But from what I heard, they're not going to carry that at Lowe's. They're going to quit carrying that at Lowe's. So, I don't know. I don't know where the system's going. When they can't... I guess it didn't sell. I don't know. They got this on clearance, $299 and $249, 26-inch top and bottom, $548 for total. Then they got these pink boxes that nobody wants on clearance. Hopefully they'll go down to like $50 and probably buy one or something. And then you got these Cobalt bot toolboxes there for $439. 16 gauge finished nailer down to $149 from $189. Got the 18 gauge brad nailer, 2-inch, $99 down from $139. Tool only, 3-year limited warranty. You got the framing for $299 was $329. Then you got the Dremel accessory kit, $12.57. I was just about to get this one, $29. I don't have a Dremel, but I wanted the kit because it was cheap. But yeah, I didn't pick it up. 18 gauge brad nailer, $69, not bad. It's probably one of the better brands to get. $79 from $109. Their crown stapler, $109 down from $169. A straight finish nailer, 16 gauge. Alright, so $127. They'll get the flex drywall screw gun. Guys, a lot of you guys were getting these flex tools were like really cheap with the buy more save more, because they're already at discount, and plus you were adding, I believe, $500, and you were getting like really good amounts of money off, and a lot of people were getting a whole bunch of deals. I personally couldn't justify spending over $500 in flex tools unless you really need them, because I'm already in like 10 different battery platforms, and most of my tools are Milwaukee or DeWalt, so I couldn't justify spending that much higher. But this one, a lot of people are getting this one for like around $200 something. So, but yeah, let me know in the comment section how well you like your flex tools. You guys would continue to buy flex. I know that the flex stack pack wasn't very successful here at the Lowe's because they're not selling it. So there's the hammer drill. I believe that's the turbo one. And then you got the impact driver for $99. Those are pretty good deals. These are great tools, by the way. You got the drill driver for $99. Like I said, a lot of people were getting a really good discounts. $249 for the impact driver and drill driver. So might as well just buy them separately at $99. And then you got the Bosch Alfred 2628. Choice of Bosch bare tools. Get a free 4 amp hour starter kit. So that's pretty good on that one. And then you got the buy more, save more. You buy 450 more, save 150. Spend 449 or less, save 75. 299 or less, you save 30 bucks. So just depending on what you buy. I don't know anybody that's in this line, by the way. They are good tools because they're known worldwide, but I don't know anybody that has a Bosch tool except me. So you got the Mach Blue Impact Driver, $24. Got some nice bits. These are supposed to be the top of the line spider bits. $39.98 for the 3-piece ratchets. Not bad at all. Then you got the screwdrivers, which these are really nice, by the way. It's a really nice kit. However, I don't know if I could spend $29 on this kit. I'll show you, if you guys stay tuned, I'll show you guys a better deal that just it came up. Alright, so you got the buy more, save more. You spend $300, you save $100. You spend $200, save $50. You spend $100, save $20. Remember, all those tools are brushless tools. So definitely recommend those tools for you guys. You got a bunch of 1-inch bits, 2-inch bits, Tic Tac case, and 2-bit holder or nut drivers. It's a great deal on that one. Great deal on this one, $56 on clearance, guys. These Power Core 12. These are really good deals. $69.98 was $69. This one's down to $64. Down from $79.98. And that is the Impact Driver. Brushless. They are brushless. Same thing with these are going on clearance. This is the 12 volts of the Bosch. I'm not gonna go over all these because there's just the whole things are pretty much on clearance. So there's a whole bunch of money discounted on all these tools. I'm not gonna go over all of them. Just show you guys some. Got the sander there for 71. Down from 89. You got the tool combo kit with 2 amp hour, down to 151. Chameleon there for 183. Alright, you got some DeWalt Extreme brushless impact drive for 119. You got a 21-piece titanium drill bit set for 26 was 31. Not bad at all. It's not the best deal. I will definitely wait for the holidays, but if you can't wait, then that is the deal for you. You got the 6 amp hour stack pack battery for 183 with got the subcompact brushless driver kit for $99. I'll definitely get the flex over these, by the way. These are entry level. Oh, not this one though. This one's really good, so I'll definitely get this one for $99. Triple hammer, compact impact driver, compact 4-piece combo kit for $249. Seems like this been here forever. The angle grinder for $99. It's a 4.5-inch angle grinder. $139 for the 36 volts variable speed reciprocator. So this thing's a beast. They call it the Hulk because this thing is a beast. I do have it. This thing's a beast. 97.27 down from 139. 127 down. This is a planer. 127. These are all Cobalt tools. They're on clearance and new lower prices. 103 down from 129. Got the ratchet bear tool. So lots of clearance. Seems like Lowe's clearance the whole store out. Cutout tool, bear tool, $79. Drywall screw gun, magazine, $55. Got the screw gun there for $79. Got a whole bunch of bits there for $7.27. And just a whole bunch of the random different bits. I'm not gonna go over all of them. The half of the wall was on yellow. So got this one on clearance, a jigsaw. It's a 6.5 amp Bosch, 104 down from 139. Guys, these are on clearance. There's the road bevel compound miter saw, 12-inch, 235 down from 429. That is a killer deal on that miter saw. The only thing I don't like about that one is that it's not a slider. You got the Cobalt right next door, 244 down from 349. This is a slider. It's a dual bevel. So guys, if you guys are on a budget, this is the time. Run and get it. This is $3.99 down from $5.99. 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. So they did knock down a few bucks off of this one. You got the all-purpose RT switch, Craig multi. $29 down from $39. Alright, and then we got some compact folding knife from Irwin. $3.97 down from $8. And then we got the Weehaw. So yeah, these are really nice screwdrivers. Definitely recommend these. They feel really nice in the hand. $11.97 down from $19, so just about 45% off. You got these. $10 was $11. $21 was $24. That's a 32 piece. Alright, these are on clearance. These are the Craftsman Versus Stack or Trade Stack. 109 down from 149. And then you got the Trade Stack Pro drawers. These are even good if you guys got other Milwaukee or DeWalt, because you guys could just tie them up. Tie these drawers up with your modular storage system. So if you're looking for the drawers, hit your loves and get those deals. Guys, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.